So here we are on the regional train on our way back to Frankfurt Airport as we are leaving for Vienna tonight. Let's go! Well, we are on our way to the gate, A28. We're a little bit late because there was a backup in the security check. So we're hurrying down to the gate, which is good because we're not gonna wait at all. They're already boarding. We already have our seats, so everything is good to go. We made it. So see you on the ground in Vienna. Dankeschön, bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's it. We're here in Vienna. Now we're waiting for my cousin who is going to come and pick us up. She's so sweet. She's gonna be here any minute. So see you in a bit. Good morning and hello from Vienna, Austria. So we just made it last night. It was a long day, both Germany and the flight and whatnot. So we went straight to bed and we woke up to a gloomy, cold morning here in Austria, Vienna. But it's a beautiful town. My first time here. Just want to share this beauty with you. It's amazing how pretty, how clean this place is. And I cannot wait to explore it. So let's go. So this is St. Stephen Cathedral in St. Stephen Platz. We're here. It's a gorgeous cathedral. I'm just gonna go inside and look for more details, some history background. I have to admit, it's one of the prettiest cathedrals that I've ever seen in Central Europe. So I'm here at the Kärntner Strasse, which is off of the St. Stephen Platz. It's one of their main famous shopping districts. It's pretty busy. Pretty much you have all the brands and a lot of stores and cafes and very much an entertaining kind of a district. It's right off the St. Stephen Church or Cathedral. Really cool. Behind me is the Grand Opera building here in Vienna, which is right across the street from the famous Sacher Hotel or the Sacher Cafe, which we are going to go into, and there's quite a long line to get in, but hey, it must be amazing inside. I can't wait to show you. It's been over 10 minutes and we're still waiting in line at 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit to get into the Sacher Cafe, and we won't leave. It's cold, but we will get in. It's a mission accomplished situation. Here, the famous original Sacher cake, which is basically a chocolate sponge cake with peach or apricot marmalade in between. So here we go. It's good. It's very subtle. The peach is super subtle. It's there, but it's not there. And the chocolate is not overwhelming either, so it's very good. I give it 4 out of 5 stars. Cheers. Right next to Sacher Cafe, there is Mozart Cafe.
It's pretty.
And it's such a beautiful city. Great architecture, amazing history, and it's so clean and well kept. And right in front of me right now is Albertina, where is also known to be a very famous art museum. So far Vienna has been great, even though it's only 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit. It's just amazing. And now we're entering the Burggarten, which is known to be the castle garden. And let's see what's inside. Come on, let's go. Good morning. We're back in Damascus because we're in the tram today. Apparently in Austria, and it's still law in public transportation, you have to wear your mask. So I don't know, it's a forgotten feeling. It feels really weird, but anyways, it's only for 10 minutes. We're taking a tram today to go to some new parts of the city, some exciting places to see, and see you there. Alright, so we got out in the central station, which is Schotten Tower, and we're gonna start our second day here in Vienna. We'll be heading into the old city. I'm excited to see what's available for us there.
I wanna start up something new. I wanna see things I have never seen before. I'm tired
at this lovely courtyard. It's just so pretty, so aesthetic.
I wanna run away with you. Tell me that you wanted to. Just wanna be alone with you. I try my best to concentrate. I try my best to keep my mind in my head straight. I've been feeling as of late that all I wanna do is go out somewhere new. As long as I'm with you, I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you.
A day without bread is a day without sun. So true.
Tell me that you wanted to. Just wanna be alone with you. I see.
Well, the infamous Café Central, and unfortunately there's a hell of a long queue to get in, and unfortunately we're not gonna wait for this. It's really something special. This line, I don't know if it's worth it, but definitely something I don't want to wait in line for.
Run away with you. Tell me that you wanted to. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. Tell me that you wanted to. Just wanna be alone with you.
So finally we came to Wiener Küche. Yesterday we couldn't do it because it was so busy, such a long line to get in, and it was very cold. So today we made a reservation and we just came back and cannot wait to have the authentic traditional schnitzel here in Vienna before we leave today back to Zurich. We're sitting here looking at this beautiful festive setup. I just noticed that this actually is not wine bottle, but it's a pepper grinder. Super cool. All right, well, cheers. So we ordered a pancake soup. I guess it's an Austrian delicatessen. And it's a beef broth and some pancake stripes. Looks like a noodle soup, but it's made out of pancakes. So how is it, Daniel?
It's good.
Yeah?
Delicious. But the pancakes do not taste like pancakes. And the broth is just perfect. I really dig it. Like,
I don't know what's it called in German.
let's see, it's called klare Rindsuppe vom Tafelspitz mit Fritaten oder Laberknödeln.
I don't know what that is, but I'll try to film that for you guys. It's delicious. The delicious schnitzel and the potato salad. And Daniel got himself an impossible sausage dish because he's vegetarian. And that's my schnitzel. I got the veal one. It's so tender and full of flavors. It must be in the battering. It's just delicious. So for dessert, we ordered typical Austrian desserts. One is Kaiserschmarrn, and is basically pancakes.
Like fried pancake.
Fried pancakes
Like
with some jam. And I got myself a real Austrian apple strudel. So I guess I'm having everything Austrian today before we're ready to leave for Zurich. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright guys, thank you for joining us onto our trip to Vienna. There's so much to see. Impossible to squeeze all that into our vlog. If you liked it, please hit the like button and give us a comment down below if you have any questions or comments. I'll be here to answer them. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And until the next time, see you on the road.
Did I hit it?
Alright guys, well, thank you for joining us into our... Alright guys, thank you for joining us to...